Hello, today we're going to install on this Speed Queen coin slide machine with newer Quantum or ACA controls. This is going to be applicable to any Alliance coin slide machine. We have our ALCD2-4 Spark with our #2 harness. This is a newer style coin slide machine. We already took the liberty of pulling the service compartment top off, and to start any successful ShinePay installation, we've also taken the liberty of removing the power. Once these 3 screws are removed, you're gonna basically just pull the switch up, and we're gonna first just pull the connectors off of the switch. And we're gonna take these connectors, polarity doesn't matter, and we're just gonna take the harness and plug the harness in like this. Now, optionally, we can reconnect the switch here if we want to continue accepting coins, but that's purely optional. Then what we're gonna do is pull this board out and just get access to this connector right here, where we're gonna attach power, grab power from. Then we're just gonna put the board back in. We're gonna put the switch back in, tuck the spark away, particularly out of the way of the switch. We're gonna grab our matching QR code sticker, put that on the machine, add a pay with your phone sticker as well. We're gonna then basically put all the screws back and button the machine back up. And that's the end of this ShinePay Spark install on this coin slide Alliance-based machine.